How to turn off OneDrive notifications. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to turn off the notification on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner. Right here, select it. Then you will see settings right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find notifications right here. Then select it. Now you can see it is turned on. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button right here, just like this. And now you can see your notifications will be turned off and you will not get any notifications. And that's it. This is how you can turn off OneDrive notifications. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.